Keystone Industries is a global manufacturer providing the world with innovative and cutting-edge products. Across 500,000 square feet of worldwide production facilities, including our state-of-the-art manufacturing headquarters in Gibbstown, New Jersey, Keystone Industries focuses on creating high-caliber products for today and the future by honoring over a century of quality and customer satisfaction. Whether it's from our 5 U.S. locations or facilities in the Netherlands, France, Germany, Brazil, and China, Keystone is committed to supplying and surpassing what a customer expects from a manufacturer. We place a committed emphasis on research and development, enhancing our ability to formulate and compound unique resins. By understanding trends and the fundamentals of industry standards, we use that focus to best utilize the power of our research. That allows us to make smarter choices and develop more groundbreaking products over the last 40 years. National Keystone and Mycone Dental were purchased by the Robinson family in the 1970s, beginning the foundation of Keystone Industries. By the late 1980s, 4 more companies had been brought into the fold under the dental umbrella. Keystone quickly identified the value of becoming a self-supporting manufacturer. We broke from convention, branched out, and began developing our own polymers and monomers. Recognizing the trajectory of UV-cured gels and all its potential applications, Keystone Research and Pharmaceutical was founded in 1993. Keystone Research and Pharmaceutical's success led to its Netherlands-based European division opening 3 years later in 1996. The 21st century brought even greater growth with the acquisitions of TNS Plastics. With this addition, we broadened our expertise of injection molding and extrusion for customized production and packaging to accommodate the cosmetic, dental, and medical fields. In 2009, Keystone Vet was created. This division focused on medical pet care and grooming aids, adding yet another facet to the growing list. 2012 saw the procurement of DPAC products, expanding Keystone's portfolio from the operational realm and into over-the-counter and FDA-regulated medical solutions. Later that year, Keystone Industries purchased our state-of-the-art 250,000 square foot manufacturing facility located in Gibbstown, New Jersey. This serves as our corporate headquarters. We introduced our nail lacquer division, POLYCHROMATIC, in 2013. POLYCHROMATIC focuses on contract manufacturing and full turnkey services. Shortly after, Interfilling, our Netherlands-based labeling, packing, and filling production company, was established. The arrival of 2014 closed out the acquisition of the Bosworth Company, rounding out our offerings in the dental space. Keystone Industries became a one-stop shop manufacturer for all aspects of operative, hygiene, and preventive care. Adding Enamelite that same year branched us into specialized wet and dry aerosol filling capabilities. Center 7 became a part of the Keystone family in 2015, further extending our footprint into global distribution with white glove turnkey filling from the heart of France's Cosmetic Valley. 2017 brought Make Up My Cosmetics to the table, placing Keystone into private label manufacturing for face, eye, and lip color cosmetics. We've only scratched the surface of the qualifications and abilities of Keystone Industries. The scope and diversity of our divisions are what makes us greater than the sum of our parts. Our philosophy is designed to deliver absolute customer satisfaction, guaranteeing that our customers receive the hallmark of quality that precedes Keystone Industries around the world.